Did you know that you can move a person, pet, or object from one photo to another and then edit it like resize or rotate without even opening edit mode? This is a new photo trick in One UI 8.0 on Android 16. It works right in the Gallery app on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. To do so, open Gallery app and then choose a photo with a clear subject like a person, animal, or object. Tap and hold the subject until it pops up. Keep holding it with one finger and then use your other finger to swipe and find another photo. When you find the photo you want, release the subject to drop it there. You can now edit it like resize, rotate, flip, duplicate, move, or delete. When you are done, tap Save to keep the change. And that's it. This is a fun and easy way to mix photos or make creative edit like on your phone. Try it and see what you can create. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.